Oh, okay. Okay. Game plan, try to fish this little channel as we go out. Pulled out that magic stick on here. The magic stick. June bug.
Yeah, I might switch to something soft plastic setup on my spinning rod.
You know that osprey? It's a big old bird. What? The osprey? The bird that was flying overhead?
Are you weighted?
Yeah. We got a little weight on it. Someone hang around by that stump. Oh, we're not near the stump. Ooh. Somebody kept on nibbling. Keep getting turned here. There we go. That's where I was wanting to go. Oh, we're on. What? What?
Do I need to come down there and show you how to get one?
Yeah, Jack, I'm gonna need you to show me how to catch a fish, because obviously I'm getting bamboozled. I mean, that was for sure a fish. May have been a crappie if it's too small to actually take the hook. Oh, there we go. It's a little guy. Yeah, they're hanging around this little stump. Little bass. I mean, itty bitty guy. He's chunky though. He's been eating. Oh, chill out, brother. I mean, just the itty bitty guy. But look, he's a little chunk. He's a little chunk. All green. Green on top, white on the bottom. Put him back in. He's not 10 inches. So today's goal is to get you a pickerel. Be nice. I'm telling you, hang around the little stump. Oh, come here. Look at that. There's a second cast. Second cast, another little bass.
I haven't caught a bass ever.
Look at this little joker.
Yeah.
Itty bitty. Itty bitty little guy. They're all hanging around that stump. Try not to get up on that stump. Trying to back up a little bit here. You need a June bug? Do you have hooks and stuff?
Yeah.
So you just need a June bug.
I brought my terminal bottle.
Literally back to back bass.
Yeah.
Let's try this again. 3 in a row. They're hanging around this stump because it's so cloudy they can't see nothing. They're hanging around what they can actually be safe. Oh, not 3 in a row this time. All right, let's try this. Back at the stump. Oh. Oh, almost another one. Bro, here, get your June. Don't even waste anymore. Just here's a couple of June bugs because you're gonna wear them out. I already know it. I'm not even gonna just give you one. I'm giving you two. Because they are obviously in the mood for some Junes. Grab my paddle. Here you go.
Special delivery.
Amazon. Oh, maybe I shouldn't push off. Push off and you go flipping in the water. Whoops! Jack, if you could fish off of that standing, I'd give you a lot of money.
I would bet my bank account. If I didn't have all the tackle, I'd try. Seriously, if I didn't have
like you would have, my stipulation would be you would have to catch a fish while standing.
Yeah, if I didn't have all my tackle.
Make it 3, homie. They're all little buck bass, but hey, they're all around that stump. I mean, I think your shad is probably just as big as this.
Yeah.
Literally just drop them right around that stump and they'll just come snatch it. I don't know if there's like a little branch off or roots or something like that, but they are all in there. And if they're all in this, then we're definitely going around the corner because there's some trees that are just like this that we can hang out at. And I'm sure there's probably a ton of them. I'm just kind of right there. Dropping it down right there on them. I mean, that's where they're hanging at. Oh, get some weeds.
Oh, my back. That sucks. Not being able to sit back.
That back plate.
Yeah. Cheapo.
Ooh,
You miss one?
right there. Mine. Watch this. If he took it, all of a sudden I'd go crazy. I'd be like, oh!
I'm trying to get out. I struggle at this right now.
Floating.
Trying to get out of the way. It's like once I start drifting, I just keep going.
There's actually a little bit of an art to it. Ooh. Because there's actually a way to fish and kind of keep yourself balanced. Like if you're casting on something like this, especially yours as light as yours is, you can almost control where you're going. I mean, we can keep wearing out this stump if you want, or we can move along. You tell me. Moving right along. What was that?
I was right here next to the boat.
Was that a fish?
Yeah.
That thing just pounded right here.
It sounded like a rock just hit the water.
I know. I was like, what was that? Thought you dropped something in the water. Anybody in these rocks? Yep. 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 Come here. Ugh. He's a bit bigger. He's a bit bigger. Oh, come here. Oh, don't do that. Yeah, there we go. There's a good size one here. Good little slab. This guy's over 10 inches. Beautiful bass, largy. Got a little bit of spots kind of going along the side there. Some green on top, big on the bottom. big old tail on the back end, hanging out in some of these rocks. I say along mornings like this, love to be in some of these rocks and foliage, as you saw probably before with some of these other little small ones. So we're gonna get this guy back in the water, but we can put him towards the count and we can keep on going. See you around, buddy. Ooh. Oh. Oh my Lanta, what is this? Am I on a branch? I guess there was a branch. That wouldn't be a bad thing to have behind you while you're just paddling. Just let it troll.
Until it yanks my rod back.
Then it's gone. Say what? I have to take a look here in a moment, because I have no idea. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got us a good sized puppy here. This one's a little bit more sizable. I'm liking the direction we're going in. They're getting bigger as we go.
We're getting none of
Who? You? Me? We got ourselves a good little bass here. Good sized little guy. Definitely over 10 inches, hanging out in some of these trees. Once again, underneath some of the underbrush that's taking place, the water is murky, and so they're hanging around structure. And so a good sized bass that we can put towards the count. We're gonna get him back in. Try to jump back in the boat with me. You're about to get snagged.
You met me? I'll get snagged.
You're like, what's a snag? I've never had that before.
I just get stuck for a couple seconds.
Oh, I don't get snagged. I only get stuck for a couple seconds.
Once me get unstuck.
You're about to snap that pole in half. All right, where we at? Oh, I see it. I see him, I see him.
I shouldn't have ripped it through the water like that. That's why I did that.
I see him.
Oh, man.
Yeet. Oh, oh, don't do this. Don't pull it. Don't pull it. All right. There you go.
If you
If you would have pulled that thing, man, my legs would have been gone. It's like, all right, we're going to the hospital. It's always a first, fishing underneath a train. Never done that before. I think we might be coming to the end of our adventure today. What a day it has been, or really a morning. Caught a good number of bass this morning, and just another beautiful day out here to enjoy God's creation. It's definitely getting a little bit warmer being in July, and so once it gets really hot, then the bite will definitely slow down. But it has been such an amazing morning out here on Betty's Branch. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it as well as subscribe to the 419 Fishing channel and hit that bell icon. That way you'll be notified of every video that gets put up here on the channel. Keep fishing for men, and I'll see you on the next episode.